Dear children, let us see some more of the examples. See, here journal is given. We have to post them to the ledger. See, journal entries: cash account debit to sales account being goods sold. RAM account debit to RAM's account debit to sales account being goods sold on credit. Here rent paid to the cash. So see, here dates: second, third, say third, fourth, and fourth. The RAM account debit to sales account, RAM's account, rent account debit to cash account, salaries to cash, cash account debit to RAM, and sales return to RAM. These are the journal entries which are given the amounts of these. Now let us see how to post these to the ledger. See, in ledger, in the first page cash account is opened, in the second page sales account is opened, and in the third page RAM's account is opened. Fourth page rent account, fifth page salaries account, sixth page sales return account is opened. Here the first entry is cash account debit to sales account. Cash account, here it is being debited. Go to the cash account and debit side, write the date and year 2019, April 1st. So it is debited. So go to the debit side, and with what it is being debited? By sales. To sales account. Write the particulars, and then amount is rupees 10,000. Next, go to sales account. Here sales account is being credited. So go to sales account credit side. Write the date and the year, April 1st. With which account it is being credited? By cash account. So write by cash 10,000. This is how to post the journal entry to the cash and sales account. Now come to the next entry, RAM's account debit to sales account. So do we have the RAM account so far? No. In the third page we have opened RAM's account. RAM account is being debited here. Go to the debit side of RAM's account. Write the date and year and to sales account. Means the opposite account with which it is being debited or credited is written in every account. Here by sales account it is being debited. So write to sales account. Here it is being debited. Go to the debit side and write sales account. And write amount 20,000. Again the sales account. Sales account is already there. Sales account is being credited here. Go to credit side, write by RAM 20,000. Or the next third, on third date rent to cash. Rent account is there. The to cash, April 4, the third, to cash account for how much? The 1,000. Again go to cash account. Cash account here is being credited. Go to credit side of cash account. April 3rd by rent 1,000 rupees. And on the third day, same day, salaries account debit to cash account. Go to salaries account, debit side, write date and year to cash account. So how much? 2,000. Again the next cash account by the salaries on the same date. Salaries account, you write account 2,000. And the on fourth cash account debit to RAM. Go to cash account first, the debit side to RAM's account, the date 4th and the amount 8,000. Again go to RAM account. RAM account here is being credited. Credit side of RAM account. April 4th by cash 8,000. And next April 4th on the same date sales returns to RAM. Sales returns account. Go to sales returns account. Debit side. Write date April 5th, 4th. April 4th to RAM 2,000, 3,000 rupees amount. Again go to RAM's account. Here RAM account is being credited. Go to credit side of RAM account by sales returns account rupees 3,000. This is how to post the transactions from journal to ledger. Now let us see to the balancing. How to balance the accounts? First of all, let us see the cash accounts balance. Here, so after the last transaction, leaving one place, one line, to total up both sides. 18,000 is this, and here the 3,000. So the highest total is written on both sides, and the difference of these, the highest total and the lowest total is written as by balance carried down. Balance carried down. How much difference is there? 15,000. Okay. So the double underline, by double underline it is closed. Say it is on 10th we are balancing. Now come to sales account. Sales account, only one side there are the amounts. So total it up 20 plus 10, 30,000. Write the highest total on both sides. And whatever the balance here, there is zero amount. So write the total as balance carried down. Carried down means to the next day it is being carried down. Say here 15,000 on 10th. On April 11th, the balance will be, opening balance will be 2 balance brought down. Carried down and brought down, 15,000. So you have to write like this. And here 2 balance brought down. It comes to April 11th. So by balance brought down 30,000. Here date April 10th. On April 10th we are balancing, suppose. And now come to Ram's account. The highest total 20,000 this side and 11,000 this side. Right, the highest total on both sides. 20,000, 20,000. And right on the side on which lesser amount is there as balance carried down. The difference of these two is 9,000. And here to go to the downside and to balance brought down. Now rent account. Only one side is there. Write that amount on both sides. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. April 10th by balance carried down 1,000. In this way the accounts are balanced. All the accounts are balanced. Of course, rent account, salaries account, nominal accounts at the end of the year are not balanced. The balance of those is transferred to either trading account or profit and loss account. Of course, if it is given in the problem, then you have to balance it up like this. Okay. This is about the balancing of the posting of the journal entries to ledger account, and then you are balancing the accounts.